Love ng OTB. Mr. Noni Neri. Away they go. St. Mark from the outside, rushing up his Princess Julian by the Madame Leonora. Ho, ho, ho on the father outside. Swinging habit. It's now entry number 2, Madame Leonora, Princess Julian. Winning habit alongside by the rallies. Ho, ho, ho. Slam shots. Is Danori inside on the father outside. St. Mark, Speed Admiral. Moving up by the Wheel of Fame alongside Northern Arrow Sabre, the Champagne Ano Post. Danori inside is entry number 12. And this one is Dashing. Third last and second last is entry number 3, Amazing Damascus. And Mr. G is running in 14th. Madame Leonora, ho, ho, ho. Princess Julian is on the outside. And moving up now is entry number 10, Winning Habit, St. Martin. Stamp shots by Darrell. As they race the final corner, it's now ho, ho, ho. The leader by about 2 lengths, followed now by Winning Habit, Princess Julian. Wheel of Fame in the middle, Madame Leonora, Stamp Shot, St. Mark, and Princess Julian. But ho, 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 by about 2 lengths. And finally, ho, 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 Winning Habit, St. Mark, Amazing Damascus, Madame Leonora, and for your Super sa East, number 4.